I was making 20 bucks an hour at a dental office with kids at home. And I finally realized something. I didn't need another job. I needed a completely different way to make money. If you're a working mom who feels like every extra dollar requires giving up another hour of your life, this is where I'd start. Because the mistake I made for years was trying to solve the right problem with the wrong solution. Here's the one thing I want you to walk away with today. You don't need another job. You need another option. That's it. That's the whole idea. When I was working at the dental office, I honestly thought the answer was just to make more money. So I looked at another shift, overtime, a different job, side hustles, anything that could help us get ahead. But then I realized every one of those options had the same problem. They all required more of my time. And that's when it hit me. The problem wasn't necessarily my job. It was the model. I needed to find a way to make more without always having to work more. And listen, I am just a regular mom. There is nothing fancy about me. I am not a tech person, like at all. So if I can learn this, you can too. And then I discovered digital products. And for the first time, I saw a completely different model. I could promote a product that didn't disappear after one person bought it. It could be sold again and again and again because it's digital. And no, I'm not talking about anything complicated. I'm talking about simple, done for you digital products. No inventory, no shipping, no boxes sitting in my house. And that was when I started thinking, okay, this is different. Here's why this works for a busy mom. You don't need hours. You don't need tech skills. You don't need a big audience. You just need the right product and a simple way to get it in front of people. Does that make sense? The step that you take today, the very first thing is just deciding that you're open to a different path. Not quitting your job tomorrow, not becoming a guru overnight, just being open. Because once you're open, the next video is going to show you exactly what to do. Here's what I know from being right where you are. The hardest part isn't the work. It's believing there's actually a way out. Heck yes, there's a way out. And it doesn't look like working harder. It looks like working smarter. Some of these digital products come with master resale rights, and they let you keep all of the revenue from the sale minus whatever expenses you have in your business. I'm living proof that you don't need a degree, a background in business, or anything fancy. You just need the right first step. Now that you have your first step, just being open to a different path, click right here to watch the next video. In that one, I am breaking down why you don't need another job. You just need another option. And I'll show you the exact model that took me from stuck dental assistant to building real income from home with zero tech skills. I'll see y'all in the next video.